everyone, and welcome back to yet another video. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I have an exciting video, very exciting video I want to share with you guys. Oh, I am so excited. It is an unboxing, a small unboxing and a mid-size unboxing, but of course I wanted to share with my YouTube family. Before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. You can also email me if there is a specific bag you would like for me to review. As long as I have it in my collection, I'll be sure to try to get that video posted for you. Now that we got all of that out the way, you guys know what to do. Go grab some wine, grab some tea, and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Your girl got the tea, so now let's talk LV. As you can see, I do have my phone in my hand. I do have the receipt pulled up. I want to be as detailed as possible, so I'm going to provide the product code number and how much I actually paid for the item. I will also leave this information in the description box with the product code number and the link. If you want to go order on the website, or you can reach out to an SA to try to get these items. First item, I am going to start with the smaller bag. And if you are familiar with smaller bags like this, you know exactly what this is. Let me pull it out. And yes, some more LV fragrance to add to my growing collection. At the moment, I believe this is number 12. I have to do a recount, but this is the new fragrance, Spell on You. I paid $265 for this fragrance. It is on the website and it is in stock, so I will leave the link. The product code number is LP0212. Again, I will leave all this information in the description box. Let me get this open. Oh my gosh, I'm excited because it smells amazing. My CA did provide a sample for me, and the rose scent is just, and it stayed on all day long for me. So that's the part that I was excited about. And it's pink. It's pink. Here it is, guys. Spell on You from LV. Absolutely, it just smells amazing, guys. And I'm not just saying this because I will let you know if it doesn't smell good at all, because I think it was a scent cactus. It was green. It was green. The liquid was green. I tried it. I did not like it at all. And my thing is, I'm trying to collect all of the LV fragrances that I do actually like, because I do love perfume. I love perfume, and the sample she sent, I had to make sure I added this to my collection. So guys, this is the new fragrance released by LV, Spell on You, and it is, of course, it's pink, which is a bonus for me. I absolutely love pink. Guys, $265. Product code number LP0212. Again, I will leave all this information in the description box for you. So let's get to the most important part of the video, which is a larger unboxing. So guys, sit tight and make sure you sip some wine right now, because I'm so excited to share this with you. Here is the bigger box, the mid-size box. Let's get this open together, guys. I hope you sipped your wine, your tea, whatever you're sipping on. Pop some popcorn in your mouth because I am excited. Let's get this box open. Mid-size dust bag. Let's get this box out of the way. Here we go. Let's do the countdown. 3, 2, and 1. Here she is, the Coussin PM in the rose color. Isn't she amazing? Absolutely gorgeous. This is a gorgeous bag. If you guys haven't followed me, I am not a big Coussin. I'm not a big Coussin fan. The whole design of the bag, I just feel like The color transfer will be easily transferred to this bag. The soft material, but I could not pass up this beautiful rose pink color. It's amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. But for me, the most important part for me, this bag is the strap and the inside interior. I know I did a recent video. I let you guys know that I did pre-order this bag. The picture showed that it was like a cherry red color. It is not. It is a beautiful wine color. It is so beautiful against this pink, guys. It is absolutely amazing. The beautiful wine microfiber soft material. It is beautiful. Even when the bag is open like this. This is a beautiful, beautiful bag. And again, like I said, I wasn't a big Coussin fan, the whole design of the bag. But this is beautiful. Inside, of course, it does come with a pink strap as well. Adjustable and detachable. So you can actually put this on the multi-pochette as well, but I already do have the pink strap for the multi-pochette, but I can use this on any other bag that's in my collection. Okay, let's put it right here. And the most important part, you guys know how I feel about chain straps, is this beauty here. Let me put the bag down because I have to go into details. It is so heavy, great quality, absolutely gorgeous. And I love the monogram print that's here inside of the chain. This is beautiful. LV, you most definitely did your thing. I can just see this, me wearing this in so many different ways already. But let's get the bag, put the bag together. I'm gonna put the chain strap on. I'm also gonna put the other strap on just so I can show you guys how it looks as a crossbody and as a shoulder bag. Again, this is a compartment here, a mid compartment here, and one in the front. So it's 1, 2, and 3. No side pockets at all. So if you have a Coussin, it's the same, no side pockets. And let me get the information, the product code number. The product code number is M59276. Again, M59276. I paid $3,550 for this Coussin PM bag. With tax, I believe it was like $3,800. Like I said, I did go over it in a recent video when I spoke on the pre-order. So it was like $3,800 and some change for the total amount, okay? So here it is again, this beautiful wine color. It was not cherry red, and I'm so excited that it was not, because I did not want a cherry red with this pink at all. Of course, gold hardware, my favorite. And let's get this built. So I'll show you where's detail. And they could have most definitely done without this. It just reminds me so much of the Toiletry 26. This flap here, they could have most definitely did without. It looks much better without this, but hey, you know how LV is. They do their own thing. But again, gold hardware here. And it closes. And these are the D-rings here on the side. So let's get this attached. And I'm actually going to show you how it's worn without the longer strap, just with the gold strap, because this is actually how I am going to wear this bag. And look how cute. Such a beautiful bag. Tell me, guys, what do you think? Did I score big or what? As you can see, I do have my pink collection back here, and it is just growing, growing, and growing. Such a beautiful piece. This pink is absolutely gorgeous. Again, like I stated, this most definitely, it bothers me so much. But anyways, here it is with the gold strap. So let's add the longer strap on, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust this because it is kind of short. I'm gonna make it long. Let's see. Okay, I just wanted to make it a tad bit longer. And you see how I am with my bags? I am really gonna have to watch out for this color transfer thing because I am so rough on bags. I really, really am. That's why I love monogram and black. I try to stay away from vachetta, but this bag doesn't have vachetta, but it's just something you have to watch out for. So here it is with the strap and the gold chain attached. And I am going to put her on as a crossbody. And whew, this bag is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful bag. As a crossbody, I am loving this. I'm even loving it with this outfit that I have on. It's just this pink. You can't go wrong with pink. Okay, as a shoulder bag. And she looks gorgeous like this. This gold strap just hanging adds so much to the bag. I kind of want the gold strap to come forward a little bit like this, like the multi-crochet, but it's okay. Just because the D-rings are here on the side, so it hangs to the side, but I would love for it to come a little bit forward so it can hang and you can see the chain strap a bit more, but it's totally fine. You can still see it. It's just hanging on the sides. Such a beautiful bag. Beautiful bag. This won me over. Like I said, I was not a fan of the Coussin. You guys know if I was, I would have already purchased the black. Now, I was interested in the cream. I was interested in the cream Coussin PM at the time when I decided to finally show interest and wanting to try. My CA couldn't find it. And she said if I did order it, it would probably take like 6 weeks. And I'm not patient. So she could get it, but I just wanted it now. And of course, I couldn't get it now. So I was just like, forget it. And then I saw this posted, this beautiful color. And look what God did. He was like, bam, pink for Marquita. And look, it's here. So guys, let me know in the comments how you feel. Because this actually had to grow on me, guys. It did. Because I told my CA, I'm not sure. It's only because of the Coussin style. And like I said, I don't like this here at all. Let me show you. I have a toiletry right here near. And it's not as long. But I just don't like this sticking out like this. You can try to tuck it in. But I don't know. Come on, LV. I don't know. I can understand the toiletry because it's not meant to be a handbag. But come on, LV. This is a handbag. This should not have been added. It should have been just like this. Very, very beautiful and simple. Beautiful gold hardware up against this rose. So beautiful. I'm going to open up one more time just so you guys can see this beautiful wine color. And again, it is not red. It is the beautiful wine color. Okay, so guys, that wraps up my LV unboxing. I am so happy, so blessed to add this to my collection. My first Coussin PM. I'm so excited. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Did you pre-order this bag? Do you already have the bag? And what do you think of the bag? And guys, I'm so excited. I'm so impatient. I just want to take this strap off because I love the gold strap just that much on this bag, because I'm not going to wear that pink strap. I am going to rock this bag just like this. Okay, guys, once again, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, I will try to leave the information that was provided to me to order. I'm not sure if this is on the website yet, so I might not be able to leave the link, but I will leave the product code number and the price. You can reach out to an SAACA to try to get this pre-ordered. I believe it launches October 1st, if I'm not mistaken. But I was blessed enough to have an amazing CA to get this for me, and now she is here in my possession and in my collection. So guys, as always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye-bye.